Now, cricket could soon return to high schools in Westmoreland, as there is now a rigorous drive from the parish's Cricket Association to get the sport back through the gates of secondary institutions. High school cricket in Western Jamaica has been on a steep decline, with no more than 5 schools from Trelawney, St. James, Hanover and Westmoreland playing the sport at any level. Second Vice President of the Westmoreland Cricket Association, businessman David Campbell, says this is the underlying reason for his return to administration after a 2-year absence.
What Williams is trying to do to improve the Westmoreland team is simply to attract the older guys that have excelled, to see if we can form a nucleus and then build around that. I heard him speaking about helping the high schools, which is my take. If we don't help the high schools, I can certainly tell that this cricket will be going nowhere. In my day, which is a long time ago, that was what produced cricketers, high schools. No, it's no more. So it's good to hear the plans ahead that Mr. Williams has. And again, I think it's going to work because we have to support him fully.
Campbell also admits that administrators have not been blameless for the decline in cricket in the parish.
I'm pleased of what I'm seeing, hearing, and the general joy that surrounds the cricket. Because over the years, what has affected the cricketing is this unity, this loyalty, grievances. And I'm hearing here tonight, all of this has been dispelled.
Campbell will serve alongside Westmoreland Cricket Association President Deltonio Williams and his executive for the next 3 years.